Hello friends, I welcome you all in the lecture series of Basics of Python. This is lecture number 20. So today I'm going to show you how we can create text file, how we can edit it, how we can write and read. Okay. To create a file, we have to write this keyword open. Then after we have to write file name and mode. We have to specify the mode. So basically there are three modes available. First one is reading, writing and appending. So we will see one by one how to write, how to read and how to append. After that we have to close the file. So let's see how we can create a file and how we can write and read. Okay, so today I'm going to create a file in Python ideally, so that I can show you how we can create files. For that I'm going to Python ideally. So here I'm creating one new file. Let me save this file. I'm going to save as, let me save this file in my folder. Let me write it as file.py and save this one. Okay, so how we can create a file? For that I have to write file is equal to open. I have to specify the name of my file, so I will write my file and I have to use mode write mode. Okay, after that I will close this file, so file dot close. Okay, so let me run this one. So there is no error. Let's see whether there is file or not. So here you can see the file has created, but it doesn't have any extension. So again I'm going to write the extension .txt. Okay, now let me run this one. So there is no error. Okay, now you can see there is one file, my file, and it has extension txt. So this is text file. Now it is blank file, so let me try to write something in this file. Okay, so how we can write? So for that I have to just write file dot write. This file is my first file. Okay, so okay, so let me run. So there is no error. So let's see the output. So here you can see it is written something in my file. Okay, now if I want to write multiple lines in my file, so how can I do that? For that I have to create one list. Okay, I will write all my lines in the form. So I will write all the lines in the form of list. So I will write first line. Okay, by slash n I will be by using slash n I can move on to the next line. Okay, comma, again second line. Okay, okay, now I have to write multiple lines. So here should I write lines. Okay, now let me run this one. So there is no error. Let's see the output. So here you can see both lines are printed in my file. Okay, now now if I want to append something in my file, okay, how can I do this? I want to append new line in my file. So how can I do this? For that I have to just write, let me remove this one. Okay, and I have to write file open my file name and I have to use mode append. So I have to write a over here. Okay, and whatever I want to append I will write here third line. Okay, slash n. So let me run this one. Okay, now let's see the output. Here you can see this third line is also there in my file. So this is how you can create a file, write into the file or append into the file. Now let's see how we can read the file. Okay, now to read the file we have to use mode read. Okay, for that I will write r over here to read the file and I have to write read over here. Okay, so file dot read. Okay, so let me whatever we read into file, let me assign that content to the data and I will print that data. Okay, so print data. Okay, now let me run this one and let's see the output. Here you can see all the 3 lines are printed over here. Okay, so this is how you can read the files. Okay, now if I want to read uh, uh, if I want to read the data in the form of now if I want to read the data in the form of list, so how can I do this? For that I have to just write read lines. Okay, I will run this one and let's see the output. So here you can see all the data, all the lines are printed in the form of list over here. So this is how you can read the data from your file. Okay, now how can you read or write the file by using with statement? So let me show you. So how can I do this? So I have to just write with open, I have to write my file. Okay, 2, let me create another file, my file 2, and I have to use in write mode. Okay, and I have to write as file. So under this statement I can write file dot write happy Diwali. Okay, this one and let's see the output. Okay, now let's see the file. This is my second file. Okay, so I have to give extension dot txt. So let me run this one again. So let's see the output. Here you can see this is how you can use with statement to print or read something. Okay, so today we learn about how we can create a text file, how we can write into a text file, how we can read a text file, how we can append something new text file, how we can edit the text file, and so on. So thank you.